Welcome to today's episode. Do you remember your first job? Do you remember your first job? Was it exciting? Was it exciting? I was just 18 years old. I was just 18 years old. I had finished school. I had finished school. I was looking for a job. I was looking for a job. I wanted to earn some money. I wanted to earn some money. I also wanted to learn new things. I also wanted to learn new things. One day, I saw a notice on a wall. One day, I saw a notice on a wall. It said, "Help wanted at Sunny Cafe." It said, "Help wanted at Sunny Cafe." I thought, a cafe. That sounds fun. I thought, a cafe. That sounds fun. So I walked into the cafe. So I walked into the cafe. The manager was a kind man. The manager was a kind man. He gave me a small test. He gave me a small test. Carefully, without spilling. Carefully, without spilling. I did it. I did it. He clapped and said, "You're hired." He clapped and said, "You're hired." I was so happy. I was so happy. My first day was a little crazy. My first day was a little crazy. I wore a red uniform. I wore a red uniform. One day, I made a mistake. One day, I made a mistake. I gave the wrong bill to a customer. I gave the wrong bill to a customer. The manager called me. The manager called me. I was scared. I was scared. But he said, "It's okay. You'll learn." But he said, "It's okay. You'll learn." I worked there for 6 months. I worked there for 6 months. I learned to speak clearly. I learned to speak clearly. And I learned how to make the best hot chocolate. And I learned how to make the best hot chocolate. My first job was simple. My first job was simple. But it taught me so much. But it taught me so much. It made me confident. It made me confident. It made me happy. It made me happy. I will never forget it. I will never forget it. Thanks for listening. See you in the next episode.